Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can check the battery temperature on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. So in order to check the current battery temperature, we need to download an app from Play Store. The app is of course for free and it is called GCPU. Let's search it and there we go. This is the one that we need to install. Now let's wait a couple of seconds to download and install the app. Then we need to open it. Press this check over here in the bottom right corner. You can choose do not consent. And now over here we can immediately see the temperature of our battery. And if you tap this option, let me show you. So over there, let me go back. Over here we can see the temperature, but if you tap the option, of course you will see some ads occasionally. Then on this screen we can also see the current temperature as well as over here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.